So AI is promising to change, well, pretty much everything. But what if it could change your bank account? Today, we're going to cut through all the hype and show you how a tool like ChatGPT can actually be used to build a real, sustainable income.
Okay, you've seen the headlines, you've heard the buzz. It feels like everyone is talking about AI, and it's so easy to feel left behind, right? The big question is, how do you go from just a cool chatbot to a real paycheck? Don't worry, we are going to break it all down for you in a way that's easy to understand and, more importantly, easy to actually do. And this quote right here, this is the whole key. The secret isn't some magic trick inside the AI itself. It's all about how you decide to use it. Think of it this way. The AI is the paintbrush, but you're the artist. The real magic isn't in the tool, it's in how you use it. To get there, the very first and probably most crucial mindset shift you have to make is this one. We're talking about leverage, not magic. This slide just nails the difference between fantasy and reality. That magic mindset, it's a total trap. It's the idea that you can just push a button and get rich with zero effort. The reality is all about leverage. This is where AI takes the skills you already have and just makes you faster, smarter, and way more efficient. See, it doesn't replace you, it supercharges you. So, what do we even mean by leverage here? Simple. It's a tool that helps you create things faster, write better, and solve the specific kinds of problems that people are actually willing to pay for. It's all about boosting your productivity and, ultimately, your impact. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a coder. The single most valuable skill for all of this is just learning how to ask better questions. You have to think like a detective, maybe a poet, and a strategist all rolled into one. A great prompt gives context, it sets the tone, and it gives clear instructions. The better you get at asking, the more valuable the answers are going to be. Okay, so you've got the mindset down. Now let's get tactical. Our source material lays out 3 really powerful, proven paths you can take to start generating an income.
Yep, not 100 confusing options. Just 3. 3 distinct, actionable pathways. Let's break them down.
As we go through these, just think about which one kind of clicks with your own skills and interests. First up, freelance with AI. This is where you offer writing services on sites like Upwork or Fiverr, but you're using ChatGPT to do like 80% of the heavy lifting. Second, create digital products. You can make ebooks, guides, or planners, and then sell them on places like Gumroad or Etsy for passive income. And third, content automation. This one's cool. You use AI to generate scripts for faceless content channels on YouTube or TikTok, where you provide the vision and the AI does the writing. Now that you have the what, let's get into the how. Here's a super simple 4-step blueprint to get you started. All right, here it is. Step 1, pick one path. Seriously, just one. Focus is your friend here. Step 2, get really good at writing effective prompts. This is your new core skill. Step 3, and this part is absolutely crucial, add your own creativity. The AI gives you the first draft, you provide the polish, your unique voice, and you check for quality. And finally, step 4, post, test, and improve. The most important thing is to just start. Pick a path, take that first step, and you'll be so surprised how quickly you can build momentum. So we have the paths and we have the plan. But, none of it's going to work without the right mindset to power it all. This is about changing your entire approach to how you work. This quote just says it all, doesn't it? It's the difference between trying to chop down a huge tree with a butter knife and using a chainsaw. One is a ton of effort for very little result. The other is smart, efficient, and it gets the job done. The goal isn't to double your workload, it's to multiply your output. So the takeaway here is this. Focus on building a real skill. Create systems for yourself, aim for consistency, and please remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-smarter plan. And this isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about developing a valuable skill set that's going to serve you for years to come. Look, the AI is an incredibly powerful engine. It gives you unbelievable speed. But you're still the one in the driver's seat. You provide the direction, you provide the strategy, and you provide the creativity. So the question is, what will you build? What problems are you going to solve? The power is literally in your hands. Now go out and create something amazing.